Now the first one we've done is, this is a 1-inch rifle scope, and I have modified the rings so that they are on the gun sideways. And with it being on sideways, I have taken that 1-inch stock that we just discussed and have made a Z bracket out of it. And as such, we can attach the Z bracket to the scope base as though it were the base, and get it on tight. There, it's on tight. And now we have a platform whereby we can put the device that we want to use for night illumination. And as I had said earlier, the device that we're going to use is the 2X because of its smaller, lighter weight. Again, with the 1/4 inch thread, I picked up a 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch threaded. It's a Allen screw head, but it's very easy to operate with your thumb. Screw from Home Depot. From Lowe's. Put a couple of spacers on it, and what we simply do is put it on, tighten it from below, my light is not very good, so it's a little difficult to see what I'm doing. Tighten it from below, and now we have our rifle sight along with our night vision device, as you can see there. And it's a very sturdy situation. It's not going anywhere. And then that brings us to, okay, we can see at night now, but how do we use the firearm? All of these devices that I'm going to show you, you will have to have some type of a laser on it. I am very fond of the Sightmark lasers. This is their red illuminator. I also have a green illuminator that I'm going to show you on another firearm. The other thing, this is a front tri-bracket, tri-rail adapter that you can get from Cheaper Than Dirt. I believe they're made by UTG. And they're important for two reasons. One, it gives you a very sturdy platform for your lasers, and it also gives you a sturdy platform for the illuminator that I'm going to show you in a few minutes. So here essentially is our setup. If we were looking down the barrel, and we now have a laser on the bottom, the bore of the gun, the daytime scope where you would zero your laser, and then you have your night vision device. And the way this works is, in the day, this is a 22, I have it sighted at 50 yards. My red laser dot is bullseyed at 50 yards. So at night, I would switch over, not look through the scope, but look through the vision, the eyepiece of the night vision device, simply by shifting over and using my red dot as point of impact. Now you may have to bend these a little bit to get them parallaxed exactly, but that is one form of a bracket. Another type of bracket, most all of my scopes I can remove very quickly with quick release mounts, the actual daylight scope, and pull it off. And now you have just a flat top Weaver rail. I've modified another one of the quick sight mounts, whereby again it's a high 1 inch, and I've made a Z bracket out of that aluminum stock with a 1/4 inch hole, and we'll do the exact same with it that we did previously. So I will use my I'll use my 1/4 inch thread, screw it into the base of my night device, get it tight. I actually have misplaced a washer. Just a second. I don't do videos, so forgive me for my lack of planning on this. Again, it'll adapt right in. By using the washers on the bottom, 1/4 inch washers, it saves you from having to cut off the length any length of that 1/4 by 1/2 inch adapter. Again, we will use the base and we will install it right onto the gun. There again we have I believe these are right at $200 is what I paid for this one. I borrowed the other one from a friend that he wanted the 4 power, I wanted the 2. They're both right around $200. And now you again have your night vision, very easily detachable, and again you're using a laser sighting device on the front. In the event that you have a firearm that has an AK-47 type of a bracket on it, a side mount bracket, you can use the exact same equipment that we've been using. The case of it will be on this AR. It has a side rail mount which is visible right here. Again, I could remove the daylight scope, but I've decided that I don't want to. I'll use the side, and so we will again use a side mount where we have taken the daylight, the regular sight base, removed it, drilled 2 holes through it, and we now have an adapter where it will fit on the side of the firearm. Like that. And this is actually the night video that you've seen. If you've seen my night video of the hog being shot, the Ranger was on this, and I was using the other night vision scope, the tactical night that you saw. So this will end the first bit of the video using the Sightmark scopes, night vision. For approximately $200, you have both a very high-end handheld device with good illumination by itself, and you have a night vision adaptable platform. Thank you.